Howdy, sixth grade. Today we are going to look at reading and writing decimals and how exactly that is done. So I want to talk a little bit first just about what decimals are. So decimals are another way to write fractions. And how decimals work is we've already written some fractions down. Essentially, if I had the number 0.3, that's the same as 3 over 10. So this decimal here is just another way to write down that fraction there. If I do 0.07, the 7 is what we call the hundredths place. So that means it's going to be 7 over 100. And if I do 0.21, it still goes down to the hundredths place. So this is going to be 21 over 100. I can move on a little bit here. So you'll know this part of the decimal is called the decimal fraction. And when it's paired up with an integer or something else, so if I do like 2.21, this whole thing is a decimal. And the 0.21 would be the decimal fraction. I want to talk to y'all a little bit about decimal place values. I think they make a lot of sense. So I start with, I'm just going to put a bunch of random numbers here. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, my 1 is my tens. Tens has an in, not an m. Tens. And this one here is tenths. My 2 would be in my hundreds. And my 2 here would be in my hundredths. My 3 is in the thousands. And my 3 here is in the thousandths. So all you really have to do is just imagine it being flipped. And of course, what tenths means is tenths is 1 over 10. Hundredths here would be over 100, so my 2 there would be 2 over 100. And my thousands here, my 3 would be over 1,000. And just like that, I am pretty good to go. There is quite a bit of practice today. I know it's not a very long video. I hope you don't mind. So I'm really going to hope that we do A all the way through J very, very well for our lesson practice. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Toodaloo.